Stop paying freelancers for everything, because these 10 AI tools can replace 5 different roles, and most of them cost less than Netflix. I'm talking editing, thumbnails, captions, voiceovers, scripts, repurposing, and scheduling. Let's go. Number 10. Notion AI. This replaces your content planner and assistant. It helps you brainstorm ideas, organize scripts, and plan your entire month in one place. Best for solo creators and teams who want structure fast. Number 9. ChatGPT. This replaces your scriptwriter and idea generator. Give it a topic and it can write hooks, titles, outlines, and full scripts in minutes. Best for YouTubers and agencies who need speed without creative burnout. Number 8. Descript. This replaces your video editor and audio fixer. You edit your video by editing text. Delete a sentence, the video cuts automatically. It removes filler words instantly and makes your audio sound cleaner. Best for talking head creators and podcasters. Number 7. OpusClip. This replaces your short form editor. Upload one long video and it finds the best moments, adds captions, and turns it into multiple shorts. This saves hours every single week. Best for creators repurposing content daily. Number 6. Captions AI. This replaces your captions editor and subtitle designer. It creates viral style captions automatically with emphasis and animations. More retention, more watch time, more views. Best for shorts, reels, and TikTok creators. If you want more videos like this, hit subscribe right now. I post AI tools that save you time and money every week. Alright, back to the list. Number 5. ElevenLabs. This replaces your voiceover artist. You can generate clean, natural voiceovers in minutes. No mic, no retakes. Best for faceless channels, ads, and fast content production. Number 4. Runway. This replaces your motion graphics editor. Remove backgrounds, create effects, generate visuals, and upgrade your edits without complicated software. Best for creators who want premium visuals without spending premium time. Number 3. Canva. This replaces your thumbnail designer and graphic designer. Make high-click thumbnails, banners, and video visuals with templates you can edit in seconds. Best for beginners and pros who want speed and consistency. Number 2. Pictory. This replaces your content repurposing team. Paste a script or blog post and it turns it into a complete video with stock footage and captions. Best for educators, bloggers, and business creators scaling content fast. Number 1. Metricool. This replaces your social media manager. Schedule content, track performance, and see what's working across platforms. No more guessing. Best for creators running YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok together. If this helped you, subscribe for more AI tools and creator growth videos every week, and comment which tool you're trying first. See you in the next one.